When it comes to securing a job in the tech industry, employers place a higher emphasis on your skills and abilities rather than the formal path you took to acquire them. What truly matters is your capacity to solve problems using code. Consider this scenario. You're in a job interview and you're asked to solve a coding challenge or demonstrate your expertise by showcasing a project from your portfolio. Your ability to tackle these tasks effectively and efficiently is what employers value most. So can self-taught programmers find employment in the tech industry? Absolutely. It's all about your dedication, the quality of your portfolio, and your ability to showcase your skills. While programming may be about computers and code, the tech industry is ultimately a people-driven field. Building connections can play a pivotal role in opening doors to job opportunities. Participating in coding meetups, conferences, and hackathons can introduce you to like-minded individuals who share your passion for programming. Online coding communities such as GitHub and Stack Overflow provide platforms for collaboration and learning from others. It's important to understand that facing rejection is part of the process, and it doesn't mean you're not capable. The journey to becoming a self-taught programmer may not always be smooth, but it's a path filled with potential and opportunities waiting to be seized. If you're passionate about coding, remember that you hold the power to shape your future in this dynamic field. Don't let anything deter you. Thank you and happy coding.